Marine wildlife tagging has always been an essential tool to help researchers monitor the species they are trying to protect. The need for accurate data is crucial to understand how marine mammals respond to environmental changes. Yet many modern methods spark ethical concerns due to their potential to cause pain, stress, and other issues. This concerns not only scientists, but also the public, whose support is critical for research to continue. With the survival of many marine species in the state of uncertainty, it's more important than ever to strike a balance between the health of the individual and the species. To hear more about the advantages of tagging animals, we turn now to Camille.
For scientists like me, tagging marine mammals allows us to collect otherwise unreachable behavioral information, and when done sustainably, supports conservation efforts. Tagging provides continuous data as opposed to snapshots in time. With tagging, I can better understand marine mammal migration and social behavior and observe rescued animals post-release. It also helps me identify changing physiology and behavior with climate change, helping me identify and reduce human threats to the marine environment. Modern tags are less invasive than tags often shown by the media, such as branding, and provide little to no harm past installation. Adding small, mildly invasive tags to a few individuals in a population could serve a net benefit to the species.
Thank you, Camille. On the other hand, tagging presents some serious ethical concerns, which Eleanor will tell us more about.
While tagging provides valuable data, it presents concerns like long-term physiological stress, risk of infections, and data reliability issues. Satellite or telemetry tags are typically 9 to 12 inches long and are shot with a rifle-like tool. The implantation itself can result in tearing from tag movement, saltwater ingress, burn injuries from glues, penetrative injuries from attachment components, and sometimes even death. Tags also present a dangerous infection risk. Some studies showed varied wound healing, with individuals developing discharge and openings or requiring antibiotic treatment. This contributes to modified and increased energy expenditure from tagging. For tags requiring surgical incisions, maintaining a high level of sterility is not always cost realistic, and uncleanliness can spread pathogens. Lastly, tagging can create data reliability issues within sample populations. Behaviors may change due to the stress of tagging, such that they no longer accurately reflect the population.
Finally, let's move on to what the public says about tagging and discuss some potential solutions.
As a member of the public, it is important to prioritize transparency and communication from researchers. Otherwise, I might have a negative perspective on tagging. Also, there is a lack of standardized ethical practices, making it difficult to hold unethical research accountable. Research committees need to create standard research protocols and communicate these with the public in order to gain our support. This also helps us get involved, as it is easier to hold unethical practice accountable and support safe tagging methods when there's clear communication and guidelines. Some potential solutions are ethical data collection practices, strict hygiene protocols, and controlled research. By addressing these critical issues, scientists can maximize scientific progress while ensuring minimal harm to marine animals and promoting ethical practices.